Today, I brought a super cleaner. So let me explain it to you. So in my line of business, I go through a lot of dirty machines, and this is one way I get to clean some of the stuff that is in their keyboard that is so disgusting that I don't even want to touch sometimes. But you have to. You're the mechanic, you're the engineer on this thing. So I bought the set, and it comes with a set of two, and we're gonna go ahead and do a little demo. They got a blue one and pretty much a neon green. That's what it is. And this is kind of like a slime. Yes, it's like a slime, but it's set for keyboards, and it's supposed to clean those little cracks and nuts and nutty and little things that you can't see something microscope, and it cleans it pretty good. So we're gonna bring in a couple of computers here and do a little demo and see what you guys think about it. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so we got this keyboard. You can see a lot of dog hair in here, and you pretty much just set it up in there. And of course, it's not connected, and we're gonna try to clean up as much as we can. And this one, I'm just running it through here, and it is actually doing a good job. It's picking up all the dog hair that we have in here, and it's giving me a nice little shine too at the same time. This is not bad for. Look at this. Look, you can see all the dirt. I'm gonna get it a little closer so you guys can see more of the dirt, and you can see a lot of particles in here. And after a couple of usage, you could actually throw this away or buy another one. So I can see results right now. It is getting results because there's a lot of dog hair in here, because I do own a dog. It's getting a lot of things in here, and it's making it. And then you could even sync it up some more, so you could grab some of the places that your fingers and your particle, or your paper clips or anything that you want to grab onto cannot penetrate. And this is including food, and you could manipulate this to any kind of shape you want, so it could actually fit in some of the areas. I used it before in the past, and it was a lot harder because it was not as slimy as this one. It was a little bit more complicated. It was more like an eraser, pretty much. And it fits very well. And of course, you can put it back in there and make sure you seal it, because it has to be moist in some environment. Make sure it's on the temperature control area. And it's going to last you for many tries. I mean, and they give you two of them.